Hello crafters, I thought I'd do an impromptu live for you tonight to show you a few additional techniques and some cute projects that you could do with the new Everything is Rosy product suite. Last time I did my video, I managed to cut my finger, and of course then I had to cut my video short. Well, I'm doing much better now. I had to laugh. It was pretty funny that I had done that. But I do have the card that I had made before. That is here if you have not seen that yet. I did manage to make one card while I was down a finger. Just very dedicated. So I cut that sheet of 6x6 DSP Designer Series paper into 5 different pieces. I actually made 1, 2, 3, and a 4th piece that was 2x4, and then I have another one that is 2x2. So I had that and then another one there. So if you can see that, that makes a lot of different components that you could, or a lot of different layers that you can use for cards. So I've been using the narrow note cards, and I'm going to kind of stick with that tonight, but I will, I have a lot of different great ideas, and I'm going to remind you, if you purchase the product Medley with me, you will get an 8-card project tutorial for absolutely free, and it will feature all of the cool products and supplies that are in this product medley, so you can use it to the best of your ability. I like creating 3D projects and all sorts of fun things for you, so I just wanted to let you know. And my family has no idea that I'm doing a live video right now, so we may get some surprises. So, but you know, say hi if you're there, and I'll chat with you and message you back as soon as we're done. Snickers, that's enough. Yeah, I shut him out of the craft room. He's not happy. All right, but we have the beautiful stamp set. We're going to feature that a little bit tonight. I'm not going to use the framelits yet. I'll probably share some of my projects that I have done with them a little bit later date. I just want to make sure that I'm really getting started on some of this for you. So I am going to stick with the 2.5 by 4.5 narrow note cards. Those are going away when the annual catalog ends and retires. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. These are great for being able to design with. I absolutely love them, and I'm going to miss them terribly, so I'm playing with them as much as I can right now. So just giving you a heads up on that. They are perfect for these packs of DSP. I love it. Okay, so the product medley does not come with cardstock or ink or adhesive, so you do need those things. But those are things that this is a set that's really intended for avid crafters. But if you like creating fun projects, this is definitely something that you can do too. Avid crafters are people who like to do crafting a lot and like to get involved projects. And we do more simple stamping for beginners or people who are maybe just getting started and don't really want to keep a lot of supplies. So I want to try to give you a few different projects that is really good for different levels. This project was a very easy one for a simple stamper or a simple design project. It only has 3 layers and a couple ribbons, and you only stamp one thing. Okay, which makes it really easy. These tags that are in the kit and everything like that make it super easy to be able to design with. So I'm going to just give you a couple ways how to expand on that now. And again, I'm going to feature the shimmer paint a little bit, and but we're going to start with our stamping first. All right, so I'm doing a simple stamping project or piece with this, and I really shouldn't do that first. I really should start with the flowers first, because I'll know where I want to put my leaves based on that. I keep forgetting that. So let me get that ready. All right. And I do have a current host code up here. If you are looking to place your order, just let me know if you're doing that, because I want to make sure I get your correct email if you're ordering and you would like the tutorial. I want to make sure I get that for you. I stamped off to make the ink a little bit lighter, and you'll see it's quite a bit lighter, which is really cool. So let's do, I'm going to leave it like that, and And then I'm just gonna, oh wait, I do want to do the centers. I think my husband's taking my dog out. Which centers do I want? I want these, and I want them in blue. I need little guy. There you go. You get live stamping tonight. Which means you get to see all the design process that I have. All right, so we got that. Got a couple different stamps going. All right, I'm going to re-ink this because I haven't used it yet, and that means it may not like stamping as cleanly. Let's go there. Hopefully my head's not in the way. All right, and we'll do one down here. All right, and I'm going to need one of the shorter, there's a little bit shorter leaf that's a little bit fatter that I want to use. So, I probably, this looks like it's a distinctive stamp, so I just want to make a note that I did not take some time and press the ink. Usually with distinctive stamps, you want to push your ink back down into the ink pad, and it makes it a little bit cleaner of a look with your ink, with your stamping. So this is pretty dark, but I was too excited to not. Oh, I just made the biggest error ever. I guess I'll be doing a video on how to fix that. I just put my Night of Navy on my pink. Great job. Good job, Julia. That's a huge no-no. All right, but I can fix that, and I will show you exactly how. Let's make sure I don't do that again. And I have enough space on there that I'll still be able to use it without it being a problem. I can't believe I just did that. Crafters. Mistakes can be fixed. It's not hard to do. And I like being able to show you guys, if you do make a mistake, how to fix it, because that is important too. All right, I'm going to clean that off. I got my chamois over there to clean. Make sure that looks pretty good to me right now. Okay, so I'm not going to worry about putting a sentiment on this right now. What I really wanted to do is get this ready, and I'm going to flip this over so it's not sinking down in there. So I'm not going to stamp with that for a while. All right, so I just used one of the palette knives normally to press down the ink and push it back in. But I really wanted to show you today is using the Take Your Pick tool to do some fun things with the paint. Now, I have my pokey tool on here because I do a lot of die cutting, okay? And then I got my little spatula tool, and that helps me lift pieces or layers off that I've adhered on that I don't want in a specific spot. Makes it easier to do. So, what I'm going to do, I have, what switches out on here is that there's a stylus. Right, and I love the fact that this has a stylus. Okay, so my cap has all sorts of ink in it, or all sorts of paint in it already, and all I'm going to do is take my stylus and tap it in there. And now I'm going to tap my stylus onto my paper and the flower centers. And what's really cool is if you go straight down and straight up, it makes beautiful little circles in that paint, okay? And that paint is very shiny and really fun, and it adds a beautiful little touch, okay? So that is one of the first things that you can do, is paint your flower centers. Okay, so the second thing that you can do, and this, it won't be as dramatic, but it'll be really fun, is you can create some lines coming out. You may need to turn it, okay, from your petals, so you're using more of the paint. There is a fly in my craft room. crazy. It is that time of year, though, I have to say. They are out in force. I love our property. But there are days that I'm like, I think I'm just going to stay inside. So there's definitely, we have to make some more space. I don't know how many of you know, but we bought 56 acres and we are loving it. It's beautiful. So all I'm going to do is I just press that, kind of roll it off, and then I can take it on my chamois. And also, it's really, it's still, as long as you don't have a lot of it, it will come off of your chamois. And actually, I'm even pressing it off right now. It's not going to do anything. Just a tiny bit, or just get a wet paper towel or a baby wipe. Okay, so there are two different techniques that you can do with your shimmer paint and your stylus. That's not even requiring a paintbrush. So I could go in there and add detail to all of these leaves if I wanted to, and do all sorts of fun stuff. But I'm going to probably, because this is a really easy stamp set to work with, I think I'm going to simply take, let me clean some of these off because I'm going to use, watch, somebody's going to go, no, you didn't just do that to your chamois, you committed the biggest sin ever. It's meant for cleaning things. I'm happy it's going to clean things. Do I want to do thank you or dear friend? Oh boy, my phone is making, okay, well that's going to be a quick decision then. We're going to go with dear friend because my phone just told me it's going to die. Alright, actually let me plug it back in. There we go. Hopefully it'll keep going. Yay! Saved by the charger. Alright, I'm going to put this on here. And I'm going to go in with my Melon Mambo, which is horribly discolored right now. It doesn't look like there's that much ink on it, but I will do a video after this and show you how to fix it. I'm actually going to fix it like right now, tonight. So I am going to literally take thank you and just put it down in this corner right there. And that's that. Look at how cute that little card is. It's so pretty. Super pretty and super easy. So I really hope that you'll enjoy these painting techniques that you can use, and you don't even have to have a paintbrush, and you don't have to know how to paint. It's super easy to do, really fun to do, and it gives you another way to use this amazing product that comes in this Medley. So again, if you're looking for a demonstrator, get in touch with me. You can message me on Facebook. You can email me at the email and link. You can also order with me. If you order product Medley, I will send you an 8-project tutorial on how you can use your projects or products better. And I'd love for you to join us in the fun in Ferris Craft Lair. So I'll talk to you later.